Hello, fellow traders, and welcome again to Poolsage Forex Academy. My name is Simon, and today we are here with another brand new signal. And today's signal is going to be on USDJPY. So hold on to your seats, and with no more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the calendar, as you can see on the left side on this little bitty chart, we can see that the seller side is stronger than the buyer side. And due to the pointings and markings that the forecast is showing us, probably we're going to experience a downfall of price in this currency because it has been given a negative point of 3, and due to the high impact news, what I see here is this news that actually is going to affect the price in a way that we're going to experience a decrease in the price. As you can see, the points are pointing down, and unemployment claims is a really important news, and it's gonna impact the price so hard, so it might actually experience a sharp downfall in Thursday. But as always, as we all know, news are not enough, so let's head to the chart and see what we have there. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on USDJPY on 1 hour time frame, and as always, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The blue zone, as always, is our trading zone. This red area, actually I should have made it green. Hold on a second. Okay, now that's better, because this is going to act like a support for our selling trade, and this area down here is going to turn red, because this is a really strong resistance because of these two equal highs. They have a lot of money below them, and if the banks reach this liquidity, they're going to pump up the price to the upside. And before I start explaining why we should enter a selling trade, I just wanted to mention one thing, that I only recommend these trades. So it's always up to you whether you want to enter the trade or not. And why did I decided to take this trade as a sell trade? Because this blue area that I have actually marked here is acting like a really strong resistance, but this resistance is only a weak resistance. There might be some retracements back to the upside for a little while, maybe through here, or it may be even past this blue area to the upside, so it can reach itself to the middle of this actually created area by these two zones, so it can gather a little bit of more of a liquidity for itself, so it can gain the power to start falling down. But as you can see, as I'm explaining it, the price is already falling down. So with no more time to waste, as always, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this prettier for you. Enjoy. Okay, that's it for today's signal. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good time and peace.